Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm covering a slightly technical article about cybersecurity for websites. Let's jump in. First, for a quick background refresh on how JavaScript on websites work. As almost all of my audience knows, most websites include JavaScript code that is often downloaded through a link that is embedded in the HTML markup. For many often used JavaScript libraries, that link is often to a domain that is not controlled by the website you're visiting. This is a problem, as this article from Sansec outlines. Polyfill supply chain attack hits 100,000 websites. The new Chinese owner of the popular Polyfill.js project injects malware into more than 100,000 sites. Polyfill.js is a popular open source library to support older browsers. 100,000 sites embed it using the cdn.polyfill.io domain. In February this year, a Chinese company bought the domain and the GitHub account. Since then, this domain was caught injecting malware on mobile devices via any site that embeds the link. Any complaints were quickly removed from the GitHub repository. So we have a supply chain problem where an upstream library, in this case Polyfill.js, was taken over by a Chinese company, which then made changes to the code that they were delivering to browsers that were loading pages with the embedded links. Let's just see how crafty these folks were. Sansec decoded one particular malware, see below, which redirects mobile users to a sports betting site using a fake Google Analytics domain. You can see the domain here. It's close. You can tell if you look, but the I's and the L's are, that's a pretty easy mistake to make. The code has specific protection against reverse engineering and only activates on specific mobile devices at specific hours. And it also does not activate when it detects an admin user. So the malicious code is sending users to a dubious sports betting site. Probably not the end of the world, but it's pretty bad from a brand or reputation perspective if you have a pretty highly trafficked site. It's rather clever. It's covering its tracks. It could be worse. The malicious code could be trying to steal user credentials for customers or administrators or anybody logging into your website. And that might be the next step in what these nefarious folks do. But to wrap this up, if you're an IT professional and you have responsibility for any websites, public or private, you should definitely be scanning for use of polyfill.js and removing it if you're linking to the links in this article. There are alternative hosts that have good reputations that could be substituted. Probably would be good to host it yourself if you can. All someone needs to do is change the links on the website within the code, or if you have a CMS system within the content. Shouldn't be a big burden to make this change. All right, that's it for this article. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.